Hi, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini and welcome to today's lesson on some of the French words that we use in English. Now, did you know that we use around 99 words on an average in English language? You didn't know that? Well, now you know. Alright, then without any further delay, let's begin the lesson. The first word on the list today is avant-garde, which means advanced. Let's look at an example. The company's avant-garde technology has created quite a stir in the market. The next word on the list is bon voyage, which means happy journey. So next time you want to say happy journey to someone, try saying bon voyage. The other word on the list is chauffeur, which means to work as a driver. Let's take an example. We need a chauffeur-driven car for our trip. The next word is risqué, which means verging on indecency. For example, that was a risqué joke. The next word on the list is déjà vu, which means the illusion of already having seen or experienced something. Let's take an example. As I entered the fort, I had a feeling of déjà vu. The next word on the list is cliché, which means something that has become overly familiar and commonplace. For example, beauty is skin deep is a cliche I hear all the time. The next word is connoisseur, which means expert. For example, John is a connoisseur of fine wines. The next word is en route, which means on the way. He stopped at Delhi en route to Mumbai. The next word is fiancé, which means a man engaged to be married. For example, my fiancé and I were best friends. The last word on the list today is fiancée, which means a woman who is engaged to be married. For example, my fiancé is flying to India today. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed listening and learning these words and will try practicing them in your speaking next time. I will also be sharing some more words in my next video, so do not forget to tune in. If you have any question related to this video, feel free to write in the comment box. And if you want to learn more things about English, you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, the links to which have been shared in the description box. Alright then, till next time, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.